What's up, you guys? So for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Shrimp on YouTube. My name is Carlos. I named my car Black Shrimp. It's a Camaron shrimp. So Shrimp Merrill. I like to be called Carlos, or you can call me Barlos. I really like Barlos. So for those new guys, make sure you guys subscribe and go like my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to properly clean your wheels and your tires. So let's go ahead and let's get to step one. Alright, you guys, so the stuff we're gonna be using, we're gonna use this for sure, all wheel cleaner, because it's for all wheels. And I use this for the tires. We're gonna use this one last. It's a tire gel, so it can be shiny. We're gonna use car shampoo. We're gonna use a wash mitt, which I'm gonna throw right now inside the bucket with clear water, with good water. This soft bristle brush for the top, I'm gonna throw that in. This one for the inside of the wheel, and then this one for the lug nuts, like any small parts, and this hard bristle one for the tires. If you guys want to know where I bought this one at Chemical Guys right here in Santa Ana. I think it's called Auto Detail Garage. So that one I bought it from there. This one I bought it from 3D Auto Wash. And sorry for the noise, there's landscapers. This one I bought it from Adam's Polishes. This one from 3D. I think this one I got it from the 99-cent store. And this one I just bought it yesterday at Chemical Guys down on Santa Ana 2 and Auto Detailing Garage, whatever I think it's called, I forgot, but I'll post it on my description. So all this, I'm gonna throw it in, and of course you want a dirt trap. Throw this one inside too. All right, you guys, so I threw this one in, and now we're gonna put the shampoo. This one I bought it with Adam's Polishes in Anaheim, so let's put like 2 ounces. And what I'm using to rinse it off, I'm using the electric pressure washer. I mean, you guys can always use just a regular water hose, it'll act the same, but I mean, for me, I get better results with the electric pressure washer, so that's what I'll be using. So now let's make some bubbles. Well, I had my setup and everything, and all the landscapers came out of nowhere, and now I'm freaking like struggling. I have to wait until these fools like shut up. So get the hell out of here, you guys. How sad. It's behind the scenes. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait until they get out. Less noise, and I'll be able to do my video peacefully. Bye. Alright, you guys, so in step 1, you want to rinse your wheels and tires. Step 2, you want to put the hot rims wheel and tire cleaner from Meguiars. Leave it there for a little bit. You see how it's turning brown? I like that, that's pretty cool. But yeah, then I get my brush. My hard bristle brush. Yeah, see all that dirt in it? It's fucking dirty. It's really dirty. I like to do it twice because the tires are really dirty. Alright, so now for step 3, we're gonna use the all wheel cleaner. We're gonna put it all over the rims. The inside too, the brakes. Try to get it all clear, all good. Try to get everything. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's turning purple. Let's spray some on the legs. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna look for the soft bristle one. We're gonna use that. I mean, you guys gotta have clean wheels, especially if they're black or they're aftermarket. You gotta have them clean. So now I'm gonna look for the little one. This little one. Get the lugs. Get the brakes. I don't know if you guys can see the purple from the video, but it's just crazy purple, and I like that. It's pretty cool. Everywhere. I'm gonna get it through here, back. This one's optional. That's just if you guys want to. I use a wash mitt. You guys don't have to use a wash mitt. I just like using it. I'm gonna spray more inside. Use my Gerbil. Like using this one too. because it has like soft bristles. Use that Gerbil again. Little spots. You gotta get everything. Everything. All the brushes that I showed you on the video, I mean, you don't need them. There's some that you don't need, but I like using them. And that's it, you guys. That's it, you guys. So just rinse it now. We're gonna go rinse it now. Alright, so now we're gonna do all other 3 wheels, and I'll show you guys the end of the results. Let's go. Look at that. Nothing. Clean. Alright, so we're gonna do that to the other 3 wheels, and I'll show you guys the end of the results. Alright, you guys. So I got a fresh, clean microfiber towel. We're gonna go dry it right now. But yeah, that's about it. Now I'm gonna do the other 3 wheels, and I'll show you guys the end of the results. So yeah, let me just try it. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna make the tire shine, and we're gonna use this Meguiars Endurance tire gel. I like using this one because it leaves a good finish on it. Let's try it out. And if there's like a lot of excess, then I'll just dry it with the towel. But if I want to put more shine into it, I'll just use it more. Just do a double pass. But I don't like it too shiny, to be honest. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like it and subscribe to my channel. I mean, I'm gonna be posting like at least once every week about my car and other stuff, so look up to that. Thank you guys and love you guys.